There he is. There's a male out there. See the big one, the big black one? Nah, I missed that rascal. See?
I did see his red.
Uh-huh. Ah, shit.
No luck?
I don't know what I don't
Ah.
know where I'm hitting. Usually those are dead. I'm thinking something, my sights got bumped or something.
Huh.
See, you open that valve up, you open the water comes out right there too, see? Look right down here.
Okay, there it is, yep.
Now there's a couple of blackbirds. Red-winged blackbirds. Black-winged redbirds. Those are doves there. I can't hit.
I know.
Man,
You can get these ones that are right here.
they're lucky birds. Well, I don't want them to shoot up. There's the highway over there. As long as I'm shooting down, it's not gonna make it. There's one right there. I'm gonna take my glasses off and see. I got him.
You got him?
Yeah, I just winged him. Then it just clipped him. But I did hit him. I think I'm shooting high every time.
Go for it.
That beats anything I ever saw. Yeah, I hit that.
You hit it?
I hit that piece of grass, yeah. When I was,
Ah. You gotta get one, Gerald.
I got a refill here. Can't hit. Can't hit.
You're a lousy shot today.
Oh, I know, I am. It was yesterday it started. I think I must have bumped my. Still think I must have bumped my sight or something. Oh my goodness! How can I miss that now? I got that rascal. See him?
There he is. He's
Yeah.
dead.
You want to see him?
Yeah, let's go.
No, that's one's been dead 2 or 3 days.
Go.
That's the one I shot before.
No kidding. Ooh,
Yeah.
look at that bird.
He's
He's a little stinky already.
yeah. Uh-huh.
Well,
You want to get a picture of him?
no, it's all right.
Oh, come on, man.
Beautiful farm country, Northeast Arkansas.
Rice coming up. This rice has been planted a long time. Here's
Yeah.
here's the seed. And here. See, the birds have eaten this. See, the birds have eaten
Oh, okay.
the grain out of it.
Ah,
It's just a hull.
that's not good. Birds.
See here, there's seed on top of the ground. They're all eating.